Hello friends, welcome back. I am Vivekanandan. So in this particular year, new year 2021, what is the right approach for business? Whether it is to utilize opportunities or whether should we be having long-term strategies for our business? We are going to discuss that particular question in today's video with an example. And let us jump into the video. The example which we are going to speak about here is that of Mr. Zhang Shansan, who actually shot into prominence very recently because he was all the news reports were indicating to him as the richest man in China and in fact the richest man in Asia. So how did he actually attain that particular position? In fact, when I looked for some more information, it was very much inspirational. So let us discuss about him and this rise to prominence. And after doing that, we will again come back and revisit this particular question, whether it is opportunity or strategy. Of course, it is understandable that utilizing opportunities is itself a strategy. But then we will again have a look into a small distinction between opportunities and strategies. To start with Zhang Shansan, his story is very inspirational. He was working as a construction worker. He was into the construction industry, building buildings, and later in his life he enrolled into university, and after that he was working as a journalist, and then he was working as a mushroom farmer, and then one of his company he started was this particular biotech, something related with biology. That company name is Wantai. This company is instrumental in preparing vaccines, manufacturing vaccines, and he also started another company which is named as Nongfu. This company prepares bottled water, the purified water, that particular mineral water, and of course today it is also into the beverages segment like tea and so on. And what has actually happened is this particular man, during the mid of last year 2020, when all the talks of vaccines was on the rise across the globe, he took both of these companies public. He listed these companies, brought into IPO. So the first company was Wantai, and followed in another few months he took another company, his bottled water company, also to stocks. So what has happened was, this is a classic example of last month. We might remember this particular news that Burger King went into IPO in India. Similarly, immediately after some time, another company named as Mrs. Bector, it also went into IPO because Mrs. Bector actually supplies buns to Burger King. So when Burger King goes to an IPO, people might know about Mrs. Bector also immediately. So that also went into IPO. Similarly, when he took this first company, immediately after some time he took his second company also to an IPO. But the point over here is the stocks prices actually soared. It actually risen, and that is attributed to the success of Zhang Shansan today. In fact, people did not know him before. In fact, he is also called as lone wolf in China. He doesn't come to the public domain very easily. He doesn't give interviews, it seems. So this explains the rise of Mr. Zhang Shansan to become the richest man. But again, reports indicate that that was only for a short time, and again Mr. Jack Ma comes into prominence, the second man again as the first person. But let us not go into the specifics too deep. But let us come back to the original question: strategy or opportunity? For example, when you get to know that the PC revolution is going to take place across the globe, and you start a computer company, a PC selling company, then that is capitalizing on opportunities. When you understand that a mobile revolution is going to sweep across the globe, and you start a mobile phone company, then that is again utilizing opportunities. But after the wave has subsided, if you are going to still think about what is the next opportunity, then there is no strategy. Meanwhile, while doing that PC business, while continuing that particular mobile business, if we are going to think about what next, so is it going to be Internet of Things, or is it going to be artificial intelligence? And if you're going to relate that particular business with these particular emerging trends, then there is a strategy involved. So strategy over here is always long term. Again, let us come back to the example. Just imagine Sansan, how he might have thought this. For example, till human beings are going to live in this world, we will require vaccines. He had started a vaccine company and not a technology company. Second, every day human beings are going to consume water. Again, a bottled water company. And when the time came, when the opportunity came, listed both these companies, made it public, and again those companies actually shot to fame, or to prominence. So the point over here is, it is always good to utilize opportunities which comes on your way, but while utilizing opportunities or while preparing for opportunities, we always should have a long-term strategy. So that is the most crucial part. Having a long-term strategy in business or work always helps. Last year, for opportunity, we manufactured hand sanitizers. Okay, fine, but then again, when this COVID subsides, are we again going to look about what is the next opportunity? No. While we are selling that particular hand sanitizers, we should be having this particular thought of what next, how shall we be prepared. Then there is strategy involved. So please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.